Hey guys, this is Urvia and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't yet watched the first video, go and watch it right now. And in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 interesting facts about affiliate marketing. So watch the video till the end. So let's move forward. So before moving forward, we need to know what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting third-party companies, products or services and generating commission on each sale or each referral. And by doing affiliate marketing, you can create a part-time full-time income just by sitting at home. Moving forward, to know the facts of affiliate marketing and to know why do people do affiliate marketing in their early 20s and earn so much. So the first fact is no barriers to entry. All you need to do to enter affiliate marketing is search for a company who has an affiliate program and just register yourself as an affiliate in the company, and from the next day you can earn just through affiliate marketing from your mobile phone by working for less than 2 to 3 hours daily. So the second one is you do not need to create any product or services. You just have to promote the products or services provided by the company where you have been affiliated. You just have to sell those things to generate commission on each sale or each referral. So the third one is no investment or very minimal investment. So to start affiliate marketing, you do not have to invest anything. Yes, you heard it right. You do not have to invest anything. The investment is on the learning part. To learn affiliate marketing, you have to invest a very small amount. And that investment and that learning will make you skilled to earn money just through affiliate marketing through your mobile phone. So the fourth one is work from anywhere and anytime. Yes, you can work anytime for affiliate marketing whenever you are free. You can split it up into slots like morning, afternoon, evening and night, each 30 minutes. And you can work from anywhere, like you are in the office, school, college or even in the gym or even while traveling out of the town or out of the country. So the last one is there is no age limit and there is no qualification needed. Yes, you do not need a degree for doing affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing even if you are a 10th pass student or a 12th pass student. You can also do affiliate marketing if you are a housewife or a retired person. There is no age limit. Age limit is from 15 up to whatever age you are of. So after knowing the facts, even you might be thinking that even you want to do affiliate marketing. Yes, you can do affiliate marketing from tomorrow itself. This is the reason why there are so many people opting for affiliate marketing today, because these are the interesting facts of affiliate marketing. So if you like the facts and if you like the video, like, share and comment below what is the interesting fact that you like. And stay tuned, because in the next video I'll be telling you how I made 1.5 lakh rupees in less than 3 months. So hit the bell icon right now to never miss any updates in future, and subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't. And until next time, bye bye.